Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite items that I got from Amazon, and I really hope that you will find this list really useful and helpful. Now a little disclaimer, if you are following me on this channel from a long time, then you must have already seen some of these items before in my other videos, because obviously these are my favorite items. I use them a lot in my videos. So yeah, you know, if these are your favorites, then you must use them, right? So that's why you might find this list a little repetitive, but there are some other items as well that you must have not seen in my videos lately. So yeah, I really hope that this list is going to be useful and helpful. Now you guys know that I love decor items, I love aesthetic things, so you will see some of those items in this list as well. So I really think that this list is going to be pretty wholesome, and if you are new to my channel and if you are someone new who has just stumbled upon this video, then I am really excited for you to see all these things. And if you like what you see so far, then definitely subscribe. I will make sure that I leave all the links of these products in the description box, so if you want to buy them, you can click on the links and purchase them. And I really hope that you will like all the items. Now without any further ado, let's start today's video. So my first Amazon favorite is this set of lanterns. I am absolutely in love with these two. I got them recently actually. It hasn't been very long that I got them, but I'm already in love. The best part about these lanterns is their quality. I think it's so sturdy, and this is actual glass. So the entire thing is not only aesthetic, but it's actually sturdy and something that you can use for a long time. So this is the holder where you have to place the tea light candle. They provide you two candles for the two lanterns, and inserting it is also pretty easy. You just have to insert it like this and then twist it or rotate it to set the candle inside. So in my opinion, these lanterns are completely value for money, and yeah, I highly recommend these, and that's why they are my favorite. So my next Amazon favorite is also very important because we have lanterns and stuff. So this is a set of 100 tea light candles from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description, as I already told you before. So you get 100 candles in this set, and I love the quality. I've used one from this, but before also I've ordered tea light candles from Amazon, and they have been amazing. They are very ordinary, simple candles like they are supposed to be. I actually opened the box upside down and I flipped all these candles to show you how they look. So yeah, if you want tea light candles for decoration stuff, or if you have these lanterns or aroma burners or anything as such, and you have already exhausted your tea light candles, then you can order this set. I think the price is really good. You get 100 tea light candles in this. So yeah, totally worth the money. My next Amazon favorite is this laptop table, and this is foldable, so you can store it very easily. It won't take up a lot of space, and you then have to use it like this. Since so many of us are doing work from home and studying online, I think this table will be really functional for so many of you guys. So if you want to buy it, definitely go ahead and purchase this. Okay, so next I have this set of fake nails, and along with the fake nails you also get the nail glue. Now in my previous video you saw me wearing these and a lot of you guys asked me, so that's why I thought that I'll add it in this video, because these are definitely one of my most favorite purchases from Amazon. Now in no way am I promoting you to wear these fake nails all the time throughout the day. I don't do that personally. I purchased these nails for my mom. She felt so happy. She wore these nails on her birthday and she loved them. I have to mention that the quality of the nails and the glue is very good. They stick really well, so I think these are good. So if you also want to wear them sometimes, then you can definitely do that. Also the case is so nice, so if you are traveling, maybe you are going to some wedding and you have to wear these nails there, then you can carry them really easily. However, of course, during this pandemic no one should be traveling and no one should be attending anyone's wedding. My next favorite is this mobile phone holder. I'm using it every day and this has made my life so easy. So while I am in the kitchen and I'm cooking or whatever, I usually put my phone on this and then I watch any series on Netflix. Let me know if you love The Big Bang Theory. This is one of my most favorite series ever, and while I am in the kitchen I mostly watch TBBT. So yeah, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And who is your favorite character from this series? Mine is Sheldon Cooper and Penny. I think they are so hilarious. My next favorite is this aroma burner. I am sure that you have already seen this on my channel in my videos so many times, because I use it so much, because it's one of my most favorite things in the world, let alone from Amazon. I have gifted it to my friends. I think most of my close friends have this thing now. I have ordered it I think 4 to 5 times and I've recommended it to so many of my friends. So yeah, it's not just something that I show you, it's something that I really love, and my friends also happen to love this thing. If my friends are watching this video, they should definitely write it in the comment section how they are enjoying this aroma burner, and they should definitely thank me for introducing them to this beauty. So you get a bottle of aroma oil with this burner and you get 4 tea light candles along with it. So I think it's an amazing purchase. It's also one of the best gift items ever. You just have to use 1 to 2 drops and within 5 minutes your room will be filled with this beautiful aroma. So yeah, I think that this will be really useful. My next Amazon favorite is this set of silicone molds, and they are so colorful, bright, vibrant. The moment you set your eyes upon them, it just fills you with so much happiness and brightness. They are so good quality wise, so if you are into baking, then you should definitely get your hands on them. You know, you won't regret buying this. These are actually so good. So you can make cupcakes or muffins or anything, whatever you want to. Basically your cake won't stick to the molds because these are, you know, made out of silicone. If you are an old subscriber, then you would definitely know about this desk calendar. You don't get the post-it along with it, but you get that space where you can place your own post-it, and this pen comes with the desk calendar in the same wooden color. Now you can get your name carved on it. All you have to do is WhatsApp them the name and they will ask you the font and everything. You just have to coordinate with them over WhatsApp, and you have to share your reference, like your order number. So it's very easy. My next Amazon favorite is this yoga mat, and you get a lot of color options, but personally I love purple, so I got this one. The quality is really good, and for the price I think it's definitely worth it. This is what it looks like, and I know that I have tied it in a very wrong way. That's not how you are supposed to tie it, but anyway, just ignore that. So it's really thick and it's very foamy, so while you are practicing yoga it doesn't hurt your knees and your palms. I personally love that a lot. This is how it looks up close. So overall, I'm truly a fan of this yoga mat, and for such a cheap price I don't think you will get anything better than this. My next favorite is this pin board that I got almost 2 to 3 years back, but I'm sure you have seen this in so many of my videos because I actually use it a lot. I keep changing the quotations that I pin on this board because I love waking up to positive things that reinforce positive mindset. I highly recommend this pin board because it's really good quality. It's been 2 to 3 years I'm using it relentlessly, and it is still fine. It still looks like new. And along with this pin board I purchased this box of pins. I will provide the link of this box as well. My next favorite is this whiteboard. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about making a vision board, whether I have a vision board or not, and if I have then I should show it to you and maybe make a video on making a vision board. Now the thing is, I haven't made a vision board, but I'm using this whiteboard as a vision board. Basically I write all my goals on this, and I've actually ticked off 4 items already, so I think the vision board is definitely helping. With this whiteboard I also got this domes duster that has 2 markers, and this is like a set, which is so nice. It looks so cool and it's so handy. So yeah, these are really nice. So I think if you are buying a whiteboard, you would definitely need a duster and marker, so I highly recommend using this domes one. I will provide the links in the description, and this is how I write my goals. Of course I have erased all the goals from here because I'm not very comfortable showing it to everyone like that, but yeah, my main goal is to reach 100k subscribers and getting the silver play button. I don't know if that will happen in this year or not, but I've written it. Let's see if it happens this year or not, but I'm sure that I will reach there someday when I will deserve it. So yes, if you think that I deserve to have 100k subscribers, then definitely subscribe to my channel and support me. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section which are the items that you loved the most and will be purchasing in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.